Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal energy balls. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of your favorite nut butter, and 1/3 cup of honey or maple syrup. Also, have 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips or other mix-ins ready. This recipe is super flexible and quick to prepare. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine the rolled oats, nut butter, and sweetener. If you're using vanilla extract, add about 1 teaspoon now. Stir everything together really well. You want to make sure all the oats are coated and the mixture becomes a thick, cohesive dough. This step is crucial for the balls to hold their shape. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to form the energy balls. Take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and roll it between your palms. Aim for balls that are roughly 1 inch in diameter. If the mixture is too sticky, you can lightly dampen your hands. Place the finished balls on a parchment-lined tray or plate as you go. To help your energy balls set, place them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows them to firm up and become less sticky. Once firm, transfer them to an airtight container. They will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, making them perfect for meal prep or a quick grab-and-go snack. Enjoy your delicious, homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.